Now, I just make my breakfast like this. Start by peeling 3 ripe bananas. Next, set one of them aside and slice the other 2. Cut them into round slices just like this, and set aside. Now, mash the other banana very well using a fork until creamy and smooth. This is the right consistency. Transfer this mashed banana to a medium bowl. Add 2 whole eggs and mix until combined. When that happens, add 3 tablespoons of oat flakes and mix once again until incorporated. Now, in a large skillet over medium-low heat, add 1 drizzle of vegetable oil and spread it using a brush. Then, add the banana slices we chopped earlier, arranging them just like this. Next, pour in the mixture we prepared. Spread it evenly on the skillet. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. Let it all fry for 10 minutes. After this indicated time, flip the pancake using a plate. Cover the skillet again and let the pancake fry for another 5 minutes. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. If you prefer, with the help of a knife, cut a smaller piece and serve on another plate. Finish by topping it with honey to taste. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So, click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. I really hope you liked this recipe. Now, I'll head back to the comment section and will continue to answer everyone who left the name of